In a small New Mexico town, thousands of residents are driven mad by a mysterious low-frequency hum that never stops. Scientists loaded with advanced sonic gear investigated for years but couldn't find a single source on Earth. If you believe our atmosphere is transmitting secret frequencies, hit that subscribe button right now. The terrifying sound only stops when people leave the town limits. Are we hearing the Matrix engine? The file is humming. Subscribe to Cryptic file. For more information video.